Colby is located just 53 miles from the border of Colorado. We're in northwest Kansas. Colby is the kind of the hub of the northwest 9 counties around us. We're known as the oasis on the plains, and a lot of people come to Colby from smaller communities around us for everything from healthcare, shopping, entertainment, and other venues. We really capitalize off of having a major interstate coming through our community. I-70 travels just on the south end of Colby. We have numerous hotels, restaurants, shopping areas that are all going to need power needs, and as those continue to grow, as we're seeing them do, those power needs are going to increase as well.
A lot of our communities didn't have transmission line bringing power into town, and so they invested years ago in a power plant. And so they're kind of on their own island with electricity. And over the years, of course, transmission has advanced, and now they have a normal utility source. The city plans on expanding this and retiring the power plant altogether. Current power plant engines are aging, parts availability has become an issue, and just the reliability of those old engines has become a concern. You need to have multiple people to be able to bring certain things up at a certain time, monitoring temperatures and pressures and things of that nature. With the updated controls and the new equipment, we're able to do that via computer and HMIs, and so we've limited the amount of people that are required to bring it online, limited the amount of time it takes to bring it online, which means that the city has reliable power back on in a much shorter period. Here in Colby, these units are a Caterpillar C175. They're a 3 megawatt genset. They are factory Tier 4 certified. So that was the big drive. We offer a product that no longer requires a air permit testing. And so with these units being factory certified, it meets all of those requirements. The installation is fairly easy. The permitting is easy. These units can sit here when the city goes dark. They can fire up.
We buy and purchase our daily needs through Midwest Energy, and when Winter Storm Uri hit and all the energy prices were way overinflated, we were able to run our power plant, produce our own needs, and save our community about $1.7 million just by having the capability of running during that week. It really is reliability and resiliency in your ability to manage your needs, and just that sustainability of being able to go to a touch screen, fire up an engine versus all the work that it takes to get those older generators fired up and running. It just kind of streamlines that process.